It's ni. Pero yung form ng paa, side kick. It's ulit. It's straddle, harap ito. Ready, cross leg. It's ni. Sama yung hips. Turn. Lower. It's ni. Lower. It's ni. Steady ng konti. Lower. It's ni. Steady mo siya ng konti. Wag agad balik. Steady ng konti. Ready. Kuha mo siya dyan sa kanan eh. It's yan. Then gamitin yung hips. One more. One more. Back. With kiay. It's one more. Steady. It's yun. Okay. One more. Isa pa. Lower. Yummy.